Right now, if you go to CoinMarketCap, you will see more than 9,000 different cryptocurrencies by their daily performance. Some have their market cap in billions like Bitcoin and Ethereum and BNB, while others like Samo Coin have a small market cap as low as $10. If you are new in crypto, there is no doubt that you are confused about how cryptocurrencies work and which one is worth investing in. So what the hell is cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are just like our fiat money, the naira and the dollar. The only difference is that cryptocurrencies are digital, decentralized, and cryptographically secured. Digital means it cannot be printed. Decentralized means that no single entity has full control of it. And cryptography refers to how cryptocurrency transactions are secured using code so that only the persons the transaction is meant for can decode it. To clarify this, let's think of fiat money as money 1.0 and cryptocurrency as money 2.0. With money 1.0, we have many currencies like the dollar, the naira, the yuan, and so on, printed and controlled by the central bank and the government. When you open a bank account, you provide your personal details such as your name, address, phone numbers, and so on. This means that the government and central bank have access to your personal information. In addition, the bank has a ledger where every user details and transaction history are stored and monitored. It is also shared with the government. Let's say you deposited 20,000 naira into your bank account. The bank will see it and confirm that you made this transaction from their ledger. However, this ledger is private, so only the bank, the government, and you can see it. In addition, the bank holds custody of your fund and are responsible for moving funds in and out of your bank account. So that is Money 1.0. And this is similar to how cryptocurrency work, but there is a little twist. Money 2.0 or cryptocurrency only exist digitally and are not subject to government control. They cannot be printed. When you own a coin, let's say Bitcoin, you can move it into your personal cryptocurrency wallet. Your personal wallet is like your bank account, only that it is entirely controlled by you and not the bank. In addition, you don't need to provide your personal details to create it. This also means that cryptocurrencies keep you anonymous. Your wallet has a unique combination of numbers and letters known as wallet address, which serves as your account number. Now, you use your wallet address to send and receive funds anonymously. Just like your PIN you use to access your bank account, your wallet has a private key that allows you to access your crypto. When someone sends you crypto, only you or someone who has access to your private key can have access to it. Make sure you don't give your private key to anyone. That is where cryptography comes in. So let's say you have one BTC and send some of it to your friend. Once sent, only your friend can access it using his or her private key. Every crypto can also be divided into smaller pieces like the dollars, cents, or the naira scobo. Bitcoin, for example, can be divided into 100 million satoshis. Unlike Money 1.0, crypto transactions are recorded on a decentralized ledger called the blockchain. This ledger is made up of multiple interconnected computers from all around the world that verify and confirm crypto transactions for certain incentives. This network is open for anyone to join with their computer, and details about the transaction can be viewed publicly on a blockchain explorer. This makes crypto transaction impossible to manipulate because it is public and every interconnected computer have a copy of the original transaction. So, if one computer tries to manipulate a transaction, it will be spotted by other computers and immediately rejected. However, these computers are only responsible for verifying transactions and do not hold custody of your crypto. Let me give you an analogy. When you send crypto to someone, it is first sent to the native crypto network to be verified by a group of computers around the world. Once verified, your crypto is sent and the details of your transactions are made public for anyone to see on a blockchain explorer. This is different from banks that hold custody of your money and also retain the full detail of your transaction. So that is basically the idea of cryptocurrencies. However, today, many people view cryptocurrencies as an investment option, and it's simply because of the windfall profits most cryptocurrencies deliver to investors during the previous bull run. But it is very important that every aspiring crypto investor knows that crypto have their risk. Watch out for the next video where I'll talk about risks involved in crypto. Now, if you want to learn how to trade crypto profitably, go to afibi.com to get started. I will see you there and in the next video.